all dirty boy.
Youngster for life, yeah. Youngster. Tell them that they got to make the money, yeah. Anyway, see, I was dreaming that I'm floating on $1,000 bill, and if you touch my paper and off my dream up, then you're gonna get killed. I was dreaming.
Straight up, Gully side for life. Gully side gonna run this bitch, man. Eh? You wanna see the whole Jamaica turn one big gully? You just wait till the boss touch road.
So you feel like Alliance or Appliance for dash down in a no gully?
Y'all niggas just a bunch of haters, man. Yo, but check this. When Gully side take over this bitch, I bet him I gonna make me prefect. In your face, niggas. Straight up. Y'all niggas gonna see.
Both prefect.
Alright people, situation get drastic. We need recruits to help us fight against the whole gully movement. We need thugs. Even if them only look like thugs.
Yo, man, I wicked man, you know. I chose some boy they even know.
Any man refuse, suffer the consequences.
Yeah, I'm gonna go fight against the gully movement, you know. Cause yeah, gully got man sent to the world, you know.
Yeah, Gully side for go down, man. Yeah, straight up and down. And around, down. Alright, ready? Move out.
This is BBC Caribbean Report.
Breaking news, reporting from Cassava Peace in Kingston. Police officers are currently negotiating with him to surrender.
Gully God. Alright, but you want to call your blasted self. We have the building surrounded. Come out now and surrender. Rotted. Soup, you get pissed off. Alright, let's move it.
Never stress. Them stay beside me, them not have my back. Yeah, man. No man can have my back. Any man have man back to get
Oh the hell, we end up in this position again.
You better keep yourself quiet and don't play no karate hero before you get level again and play Coke Zero.
A killer alone use the level technique. Nah man, Gully guy used the level technique too. He learned it from Bounty Killer. Oh rotted. Acho.
Alright, we need a plan. One guy you go over there, so, and you go say Gaza for life. And when him get pissed off, we move to him and throw the C4 upon him and G-Swag set it off. See?
Why me? Officer Gaza, why you wanna do it?
Yo, come stick to the plan. Nah, no time for no plan B.
Alright, straight up, let's do this. Yo, Gully God, I be a fist in the gully. Gaza, myself alive.
a pagan. This man from Cassava Peace and pagan. Get him spray them like a can with bacon. The rest of them fool, can't kill the brave one. Guns a spray one, set up pagans. My wife is a damn push and pagan.
Yo, Gully God, they wanted me to blow you up, man. But a Gully side me thing there, yo, straight up. Here's a control switch, man. Told y'all niggas I'm gonna be prefect. Straight up.
Rotted, the boy sell me out.
Yeah, but I sprained my toe trying to rescue you guys. I can't finish this battle.
See you near to dead, bitch.
But never know I could've just the Gully. Dog, easy no man. Yo, make a cut before him come back.
Suppose Boatman never show up. And look how you make Boatman sprain him big toe. Right now, Gully God get too powerful. Commissioner, we not no choice. Nobody can stop him. Bounty still a celebrating victory. And Boatman spraying him big toe. So him can't do nothing. Only one solution we see right now. One man powerful enough to take on Gully God. I feel say, you know what to do.
The girl them me love. DUTTY boy. Not only long, turn it up. Be a bad man inna the club. Bad mind people no like me. I saw he go. Lego me no. Money me a look fine. Well I know. Gyal a brace pon the thing. Me press out when me smoking.